Every great chef has a secret ingredient, but for Chef Marco De Luca, that secret wasn't in the pantry. It was alive inside him. What started as a small craving would soon turn into something far more terrifying. A hunger that couldn't be satisfied even by human food. Marco was known for his no-waste philosophy, tasting everything before serving. But after an exotic tasting event in Tokyo, he complained of constant hunger. He'd eat whole meals between shifts, then steal ingredients from his own staff. They laughed at first, until he started losing weight despite consuming thousands of calories a day. A hospital visit revealed the impossible: a Taenia solium tapeworm infection so severe that parts of it had migrated beyond his intestines. Biopsies showed cysts in his liver and even his nervous tissue. Doctors tried anti-parasitic drugs, but something resisted. The parasite had adapted, feeding on dopamine receptors, tricking his brain into wanting to eat more. Kitchen cameras later recovered by investigators showed Marco cooking through the night, eating raw dough, fish heads, animal hearts. His eyes were glassy, his movements mechanical, like something else was piloting him. Colleagues said they'd find him whispering to himself, "It's still hungry." Then he disappeared. Weeks later, neighbors reported a rancid smell. Inside his apartment, police found trays of unfinished dishes and a single body, Marco's. But autopsy reports were inconclusive. Large portions of his organs were missing, eaten from within. In one of his notebooks, a final recipe was scrawled in shaky handwriting: "Feed it before it feeds on me." Scientists believe Marco's parasite mutated, perhaps influenced by the new synthetic proteins in his imported seafood. Whatever it was, the infection didn't just take his body, it rewired his desires. They say passion drives a chef, but for Marco it was hunger that consumed him. Would you taste something new if you didn't know what it really was? Subscribe for more real infection horror stories before they find you.